Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm continuing to talk about GNV-AHU kit. This presentation divides into these three parts: wirings and settings.
Here is the PCB of the C series, and similar to the A and B series, you will have the dip switch. This one is for the capacitive, and this one is for different functions. And also here is for the sensors. You need to do the wiring. Next is for the installation, and basically for this one, the keyword is keep it to be upright, either for the control box and the EX3 box. And for the control box, basically it should install indoor to avoid the sunshine and also the raining and the water. And for the EX3 box, it can install either indoor or outdoor. It's up to the customer to choose. Next is for the communication wire, which is from the AHU kit to the outdoor unit. And for this part is the same as the GNV requirement, which is we can make it to be max 1 kilometer. And if you enlarge the size of the communication wire, you can make it to 1.5 kilometer. And for the wiring between the AHU and the wire controller, either it is from grid or from three party, we support one wire controller for one AHU kit and one for multi AHU kits, and also two for one and two for multi. This part is the same as the GNV, and the length the same, 250 for the max. Here is the requirement for the piping, which is from the EX3 box to the AHU. This L and A, which is the height drop for the A, and the length, the distance for the L, it should be within 2 meters, which means this EX3 box should be close to the AHU, either for the one HU or multi AHU. This is how the refrigerant flow inside the EX3 box. In cooling mode, here is the refrigerant in, and it will get expanded at this EX3 and then flow out. As for the 2EX3 model, and here the refrigerant in and divided into two flow and also get expanded at the EX3s, and then they combine together and flow out. And during the installation, please pay attention that you should avoid to the overheating, as the EX3 it is sensitive. Next is for the temperature sensor installation. First is for the liquid, which is the pipe in, and the location should be at the coldest pipe, which is around here, and the pipe out, which is for the gas, and it should be 200 millimeter just after the outlet of the heat exchanger, around here. As for the air in, just put it at the air return of the AHU. For the air discharge, it is for the fresh air. You can put it at the outlet of the air discharge of AHU. When you install the temperature sensor, please avoid to make it like this, which is we require this one to be a U shape, just like this. not directly out. The purpose of it, do you know what is it? Is to avoid the condensing water to accumulate it inside the temperature sensor, which will delay or make the detect value not correct. Anyway, it is to avoid the water to get inside. And as for the position, here is the copper pi. It should be plus minus this 30 degree. Next is for the detail wiring. First is for the A series. And here is the control box. Inside there is a control PCB. This is the terminals, which is this part 1. And from here you will find that this XT1 is for the power supply, is single phases. And the XT2 is for the communication. D1, D2 for the communication with out dot unit or next in dot unit. And H1, H2 is for the wire controller. As for the ST3, this is for the control of the fan motor. And also you can find that there's a low, medium, high, and this is the nature. For this one, we only support the AC fan motor. And you can find that this is already a short circuit. If you just have a mounted fan speed, you can make it to be take it off. And here the 1 and 2 is for the error feedback. And if you have 2 or more AHU kits to control one AHU, you can make this wiring to any of the AHU kit is okay, because all the AHU kit they output the same for this control. Next is for the C series, and the XT1, 2, 3 is the same as the A series, so we can skip. And the difference is the ST5 and ST4. First is for the ST5, as it can support the third-party controller, and here is just for that. And you will find that this one is actually the dry contact signal, and we support on-off, the cooling mode, heating mode, and also the air supply mode, and this is the error feedback. We also support the temperature setting by the analog voltage signal. It is DC. And then later I will show you the detail. XT4 is for the output, which is to output the operating state to the third-party controller or the thermostat, and we will output the on-off signal and also the defrost, whether it is on or off, and also we display the error. If there is an error, it will output from 6 and 7. And also please pay attention that the output is 24 volt or less the AC. And the detail you can refer to the NIST thermostat. We apply this for the development. Next, we'll go to talk about the function setting tip switch for C series. You can find that for the first tip is to choose which wire controller. Like this is for the grid wire controller, and for third-party controller, it should change it to be the number sign. And only the control from the selected controller is valid, which means if you choose from grid, and at that time this AHU kit only read the setting or read the command from the grid wire controller, and set the AHU as the master in dot unit only can be done from the grid wire controller, which is only can be done from this one. And similar like setting like the linkage for setting, which is P53, and fresh air function setting P60, etc. And this setting can be done by the GUI controller. For this one, we recommend you to connect the GUI controller if you apply the third-party controller for modularization. And which is just follow this one, which is for modularization for the AHU kit. The first step of the S2, which is this one, to set it to be 1, which is to select third-party controller and set it as 0 to make this AHU kit only accept the signal from the GUI controller to modify the P13, P14, and P53. And it's not that easy, so I just make it a graph for better understanding, which is this one. In this case, you just modularize the AHU kit together to control one AHU. In that case, you also wire the GUI controller and also the third-party controller. And for this one, it is this one to set the S2 to be only accept the signal from the GUI controller, and this one to set it only accept the signal from the third-party controller is okay. As for the temperature control by the third-party controller, according to the relationship, if it is direct ratio, you need to change the second tip of the S2, and if it is reverse, just like this, and the relationship is just like is this one, which is according to the input voltage, the second temperature. We recognize it is reverse. And if you don't have this device, the default value will be defined as follow, which is the cooling for 26 degree and heating for 20, and air supply for 26 degree. And the input voltage of this temperature control should be less than 10 volt to avoid the damage to this controller. Next is the summary of the system setting for 2 or more AHU kits. And when you install the system just like this, which is the modularization of the AHU kit to control the AHU, and which require the D1, D2, and H1, H2 among different AHU kits. And after that, on the Y controller, which is this one, you need to follow this password to enter the engineering parameter setting, which is to change the P codes, including this P14 to select the group control, and make this one as your actual connected AHU quantity. And P53, it is for the AHU linkage setting. We need to linkage this modularization AHU to make them control the same, and also just similar like a group. And P56, this is only for the AHU kit. This is to decide or to select how the indoor fan operates during thermal off at heating mode, and at oil return, and also at defrost. 00 means the fan will stop, and 01 will the fan will be maintained at the setting fan speed. As for the fresh air function setting, if we refer to the P60, this will make the AHU as a fresh air indoor unit, which is to take the air outlet as the control target. And then you can set the P50 and P51 in for the cooling and heating control target. And also, if you select the P60 to be on, you need to connect the fresh air temperature sensor at the AHU air discharge. And to select the master and slave on the wire controller is at P13. That's all for this presentation. If you still have any other question, please feel free to contact me on my personal email address.